Hello YouTube, today we're going to go over how to perform a simple oil change on a 2014 Honda Odyssey. We're going to start out with jacking the vehicle up. There's going to be a pinched together piece of metal under the front tire, and it's going to have two little notches in it. Find that point and jack it up. Next, we're going to pop the hood and find the oil cap. Should be located by the top of the engine. This one's at the front. And then just going to spin that off. We are going to slide under the car and at the bottom of the engine in the back. That is your oil drain bolt. Once you take that off, you'll make sure you have your pan below. Wait for the oil to pretty much drain all the way out. And then go ahead, tighten it on back up. Just snug enough so it doesn't leak. Give it a little tap to ensure safety and you're set. All right, time to take off the oil filter. This one's located on the passenger side wheel well. You're going to take your oil filter wrench and then you're going to go ahead and twist it off. We have our new oil filter here. We're just going to go ahead and put a line of grease around the seal. You're going to climb back under the car, and then you're just going to use your hand to make sure it doesn't cross thread and tighten it back up. I like to tighten it by hand all the way till it stops, and then just give it one crank over with the wrench. All right, the hard part's over. Now we just inserted the funnel into where we took the cap off, and we're just gonna pour our oil back in. So once we finish filling up the engine with 4.5 quarts of 0W20, you can put the cap back on, and then we'll move to the last step. All right, let's take off the jack stands, fire it up, and check the oil level. You're all set.